This is a 1985 Chevy stake bed with a lift gate. It's 1 ton, dually. Everything works, drives good. It's a 350 Chevy engine. Air conditioning works. The lift bed works. It only has 68,000 miles on it. I use this for maintenance of my homes and my laundromats. So it's well used, but everything works. Got a heavy-duty bumper hitch on it. You can see that the seats are original. 68,000 miles. It came from northern Arizona. The right door is a replacement door. It does not have a window regulator in it. The window is up, but it does not go up or down.